Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Charger headlight. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. This prevents accidental electrical shorts or movement. Refer to your owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific model and any additional safety instructions. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your Dodge Charger's hood and locating the headlight unit. You might need to remove a few plastic trim pieces or covers that are secured with clips or small screws. Use your flathead screwdriver for these. Next, identify the 2 or 3 10mm mounting bolts that secure the entire headlight assembly. Carefully unscrew these bolts, setting them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them during the process. With the mounting bolts removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It should slide out from its mounting points. Once you have access, locate the bulb socket at the back of the assembly. Twist the old bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, insert your new bulb, ensuring you do not touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Twist it clockwise to secure. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting points until it sits flush. Reinstall the 2 or 3 10mm mounting bolts, tightening them securely but not excessively. Replace any plastic trim or covers you removed earlier. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it illuminates properly before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.